I'm sure some of you have heard of metal stitching and brazing. I don't braze. I gotta learn how to weld. Actually, got lots of projects I gotta do. But however, this was broken. This part here, this top piece, this whole piece was broken off during shipment. So I used some, I guess you call it metal stitching or repair or whatever. So I used JB Weld and Marine Tech. I'm waiting for JB Weld to come. So what I did do is weld it together with JB Weld. Drilled holes down here and put, I guess you can't quite see them now, screws, wood screws, tensile strength, torque screws, really good. Drill the holes, push them down, and put Marine Tech with 1, 2, 3, 4 dead center on the casting itself. How many inches? 3 inches long, 1/8 of an inch dowels, I guess you can call it. And then decided to even strengthen it again with a block of steel here. Using Marine Tech, I ran out of JB Weld. Put a bolt through here, glued it, screwed it. This is actually a block of steel. Put that and let it settle into Marine Tech, very thick. Then, today I drilled a hole 1/2 inch, not 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, and really tighten it up there, as well as drill a hole up here, threaded it, tapped and drilled and tapped. I can't quite see it, can we? Let's see, where'd that go? Hardly see it. Countersunk it. It's covered over with some other stuff here, right here. 1/4 inch tap drill. So if you took a hammer and hit this very hard, it would probably break like here instead of here. This is so strong. So that one's done. I'll take a wire brush to it and paint all these things gray. This one was brazed by somebody a long time ago. Where'd it go? Right here. So that's brazing, but I don't really trust it, so I'm going to put along with JB Weld these things. I ground it so it fit over the brazing. JB Weld and do the same, like fit there. And add JB Weld. And to match it up, have another one of these, actually off of Paul's Excello milling machine, Inventor 3. You might recognize it. I have no use for drills or auto feed and all that stuff. Hand only. So another one here, so it'd be matching. Then I'm gonna actually wire brush these down outside and paint it as well. I'll cover this JB Weld, just smooth it in and look great, be just as strong. But I don't, brazing, okay. So is that strong or not? I don't know. Whoever did it would know. Oh, that's the problem with old lathe legs. I don't know why they don't forge things, like forge all machine tool things, even the lathe beds. Instead of these old castings. But anyway, for accuracy, I don't think so. I think good old steel works just as good. So that lathe there, the one I built, will go on these legs. These legs here with the risers down here will go on Seneca Falls lathe over there. I'm waiting for the pan to arrive. I think it was delivered the other day, which separates the legs, of course. Hopefully that thing isn't thin, cheap metal. That's very old, so it should be thicker. That's my busy day today. I got these little risers for some reason. Nice and heavy. For a lathe of some kind, I suppose. I don't know. This guy's finished. That's how it works. He's gearing. You've probably seen the videos we're putting this together. So he's done. The other patient, hello. Hi. A few other patients over here are repaired. And this one I made a separate video on. Capacitor exploded, but I don't know when. I never heard anything a long time ago. And that's the bottom of the capacitor. Boom! Probably PCB or power and all. But that's some of the adventures I had today. Hello! So, that's how you can repair a casting. Glue it together, drill holes, put steel pins in all over the place. But be careful when you're doing it, you don't want to miss something. Make sure you got lots of meat to do. Lots of meat! Yes!